Hello friends, in this short and basic video today I will show you how to calculate percent difference between two numbers in Microsoft Excel. So we should one formula equal sign. Now here opening bracket, then select this first value, new value, and minus old value, closing bracket, divide by old value. Now press enter. Now select it and select percent style. Now here drag and drop. Now select both one, right click on it, format cells, select here percentage, decimal places, select 2 to get accurate result. You can increase more decimal and click on OK. Similar, you can decrease the decimal. So format cells and click on OK. Guys, if you see any positive percent change, so it's mean increase, and negative will indicate decrease. So this is where guys you can calculate percent difference between two numbers in Excel. Thanks for watching.